We're off in a stadium that has seen so many of these iconic games. It's Mohun Bagan Supergiant taking on NorthEast United Football Club. Mohun Bagan Supergiant in their maroon and green, NorthEast United in their all-white kit. Karan Sani, welcome to the game. Stewart. Back to Cummings now. Tries to find Sahal Abdul Samad. Does well with the turn. Goes down. Referee says penalty. Within the first 9 minutes, Sahal Abdul Samad has won a penalty for Mohun Bagan Supergiant.
Look at that for a pass. Right in for Sahal Abdul Samad. There is a tug in from behind. Ashir Akhtar. And there it is. He pulls Sahal Abdul Samad. He does try to turn him. Penalty. And Sahal makes the most of it. The referee is right there. Ashir knows. Sahal knows.
Jason Cummings up against Gurmeet of NorthEast United Football Club. Cummings makes no mistake whatsoever, and the defending champions have started proceedings at the Salt Lake like defending champions, taking a 1-goal lead within the first 12 minutes. Hear that crowd.
Hitting the side netting, sending the goalkeeper in the other direction.
Inviting pressure from Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Goalkeeper Gurmeet goes long. Meanwhile, we haven't seen much of Mohammad Ali Bemamer in this game, and for that you've got to give credit to the likes of Mohun Bagan Supergiant in their midfield. Here comes Greg Stewart, gets past Dinesh Singh, gets past two players, now only has the goalkeeper in front of him, misses it from close range. That left foot of Sahal gives a dummy the first time around. Puts the cross in, tries to find Manveer Singh. Falls to him on the second time. Takes that shot first time. Manveer Singh. Liston Colasso coming down that left flank. Dinesh Singh giving a chase. Puts in a good ball. Wonderful ball. Wonderful finish. Mohun Bagan Supergiant are rolling. Mohun Bagan Supergiant are flying.
Well, Samad, a first-time finish into the back of the net. The fans will want to keep watching it, but look at that for a pass. Arjun, look at that for a pass. A toe poke, absolutely brilliant.
Jitin MS now finds Ajare. Ajare pulls one back for NorthEast United out of nowhere. Simply out of nowhere, he's pulled a rabbit out of the bag. NorthEast United Football Club are back in this game.
Jitin MS there. Gets the ball down across the defender, lays it off for Ajare, and Vishal Kaid beaten at the first post. What about that for the finish? Game on, says Juan Pedro Bernali.
Wonderful, wonderful finish. NorthEast United are going to come at them. There's no doubt about it. It remains to be seen how deep Mohun Bagan Supergiant fall back. Meanwhile, Guillermo now found. Guillermo has found a back of the net. Within the space of 5 minutes, NorthEast United have leveled things up at the Salt Lake Stadium. Wonderful, wonderful goal.
Well, 12 minutes have played in this second half, and this is magic. And look at that, 2 goals in quick succession. A ball played in, and look at that for a finish. First time into the top corner. Vishal Kaid, no chance for him. He could not have finished that any better. Guillermo and his celebration. Juan Pedro Bernali knows this is a master stroke. Ever so dangerous there, Guillermo.
Loose possession. Back to Subhashish Bose. Here's Petratos. Has Cummings to his left. Opts to go for a long ranger. Opts to do it all by himself. Just unable to keep it on target.
Inches away there. One touch away from the defender with his left foot. Not very far away. An outstretched save there by Gurmeet.
That signal should be coming that the final of this Durand Cup will be decided on penalties. And there it is. At the end of what's been a wonderful 90 minutes, Mohun Bagan Supergiant and NorthEast United Football Club have ended the final of the Durand Cup 2 apiece. And so as things stand, this game is far from over, as this game will be decided on penalties. Jason Cummings. Easy does it. No, it doesn't. It's a miss from Jason Cummings in the very first spot kick for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. And the advantage is well and truly in favour of NorthEast United. Look at them dancing. Look at them celebrating.
Well, who would have thought? Jason Cummings is not going to hit the target. He did go for power. Well above the crossbar there. Well, there's something different happening. What is that happening, Arjun, there? Jason Cummings, he gets another chance, another shot at goal.
My guess is the referee wasn't happy with the way that first spot kick played out. Harish Kundu in the mix over here. A yellow card being brandished because that NorthEast United bench will not be happy with the decision that's just been taken. Muhammad Ali Bemamar voicing his displeasure to the referees because clearly that was a huge advantage in favour of NorthEast United. But as things stand, Jason Cummings will have a chance to redo. No mistake whatsoever. No mistake whatsoever. Easy does it. Jason Cummings, the second time around, gets the back of the net for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Guillermo Fernandez. Easy, smashes it to his right. To the right of Vishal Kaith. It's one apiece in this penalty shootout. And up steps Manveer Singh for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Second goal for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Manveer Singh making no mistake from the spot. It's advantage Mohun Bagan in this final penalty shootout. Mind games. Speaking to Miguel Zabaco. No mistake whatsoever. Smashes it into the center of the goal. It's two apiece in this penalty shootout. Liston Colasso now. Liston Colasso misses. Gurmeet makes a wonderful save diving to his right. Advantage now well and truly in favour of NorthEast United.
Well, there was no sting in that penalty. Gurmeet judging that at the right place. Look at that. Brilliant footwork from Gurmeet there. Takes a step in front, makes it narrow there.
Up steps Parthiv. Parthiv makes no mistake. Vishal Kaith gets his hands to it. Very nearly keeps it away, but just not enough. Parthiv Gogoi has just given NorthEast United a very needed, much deserved lead in this penalty shootout in the final of the Durand Cup. Well, the Highlanders can dream. The Highlanders can start to dream. Petratos has got to pull one back for Mohun Bagan Supergiant now. No mistake whatsoever. Quality player, quality finish, quality penalty for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. It's going to be Ajare. He's already found the back of the net once tonight. And he's found it for the second time. Continues. NorthEast United Football Club are just one penalty kick away from winning their first piece of silverware in the history of the club. Up steps captain Shubhashish Bose. He's got to score this for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. Misses it, which means Gurmeet makes his second save. NorthEast United have been crowned champions of the Durand Cup. NorthEast United have won their first piece of silverware in the history of the club.